Welcome to TWIN BUSCH Germany, your competent specialist since 1997 in professional vehicle workshop equipment. With a corporate headquarters in Germany and 9 other branches in 7 countries, as well as over 40 sales partners worldwide, we are one of the leading manufacturers of vehicle lifts, wheel balancers, and tire changers. Hello, we would now like to introduce the wheel balancer, TWF-00 by TWIN BUSCH. The TWF-00 has a digital display and a scanning arm to measure the wheel rim distance. There are 6 balancing programs, including a motorcycle balancing program. The motorcycle adapter is available separately. And the machine is also suited for wide tires, thanks to the long shaft. Let us look at the TWF-00 balancing program in somewhat greater detail. The dynamic ALU-S program is a precision program for rims of unusual rim design. ALU programs 1 to 3 offer advantages in speed for routine, standard wheel balancing. As is also true of the steel wheel program, only the rim distance needs to be measured here. The rim diameter and width can then be read off of tires or rims. If all of the LEDs are off, then we find ourselves back in the normal program for steel wheels. Additionally, there is also a static program to balance motorcycle wheels. The static program is integrated as a subprogram in the ALU-S program. But we will now first show you balancing in the ALU-S program. Have the proper cone ready. For the ALU wheel rims, we need the quick release nut with the clamping ring. We will press the ALU button to change into the ALU-S program. 2 depths and the wheel for the balancing weights are now read with the scanning arm. The depths that are read off are then entered into the machine. Now the second depth. The rim diameter for the wheel must be read off and entered to finish. Closing the protective cover leads to the determination of the required balancing weights. The required weights can then be adhered at the determined positions. Turn the wheel until the LEDs illuminate completely for the first position. Then adhere the required weights at the 12 o'clock position. The weights are placed at the depths and the wheel as previously measured. The same procedure applies to the second position. The balancing was successful. Now the procedure for a steel rim. In addition, we need the clamping pot. Again, select the suitable cone. Read off the wheel rim distance and enter it as value A. Read off the rim diameter from the wheel and enter it as value D. You can determine the rim width using the width gauge, but this value is usually printed on the wheel. In our case, the rim width is 6.5 inches. The width is then entered into the machine as the value B. The required balancing weights can now be determined. The machine directs you to the calculated positions on the rim. The weights are hammered onto the rim at the 12 o'clock position. The balancing was successful. The fine button allows the exact residual weight to be displayed. A perfect result. Includes 4 centering cones, a weight plier, a calibration weight, a rubber lip, the corresponding clamping pot, a tension ring for clamping without a clamping pot, and of course the quick release nut. A width gauge is also included. Available as options are the motorcycle adapter, the universal flange adapter for vehicle rims without a center hole, the 4-hole adapter and the HGV adapter for light-duty truck tires.